People of the world. Tänä viikolla se microwaves. Do it. Do it now. Kun viikolla siitä. Viikolla siitä. Can we see the microwaves? Can we see it? No. There is no microwave over here. We cannot see the microwave. Remember people. There is the microwave. But then there's also a wave. True wave. I saw a true wave. Let you see boys, true wave. This is a true wave. Let's see. Look. This is a big wave. And that is boy. How you spot the difference between microwave toot toot and big wave. Enjoy it boys.